Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve this equation from class 7 Simple Equations chapter. Before solving it, let's try to visualize what do we have in this question. The equation says 5 minus 2x equals 8. That means we have 5 with us and we have negative 2x with us. Both these are put together. Putting together means they are added. And when we put them together or we add them, we get the answer 8. So now you know that 5 is being added to negative 2x. So what are we going to do? In our mind, we are going to subtract 5 from both the sides. So when we do that, we get negative 2x on left hand side and 8 minus 5 on the right hand side. Simplification gives us negative 2x equals 3. Now we are going to divide by negative 2 on both the sides. So what do we get? We get x. When we divide negative 2x by negative 2, we can cancel out the 2 like this and we are left with x. So x will be equal to 3 divided by negative 2. Now 3 divided by negative 2 has to be written like this. Now this is a negative number. Negative 3 by 2 is a negative number. And if we have 0 in the middle, so we have negative 1 over here. Negative 3 by 2 means negative 1 and 1/2. So this lies here on the number line. So remember this, that negative 1 and 1/2 lies halfway between negative 1 and negative 2. So the answer is negative 1 and 1/2. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.